Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can make an easy oatmeal water that you can use to lose weight really fast. This oatmeal water works wonders. It works great and it helps lose weight really fast. It's very effective, and I've recommended this drink to so many people and I got positive results. So that's why I'll be showing you how to make this drink in this video today. It's really easy to make and you are going to love drinking it as well. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video and find it helpful. Share it with your friends as well as leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband. I'm sure you are going to like our last video, so do check that out as well. Follow me on my social media handles. Check the description box. I have some links there for you where you can buy some things, or a link to a DIY skincare ebook. You can download that as well, and follow me on my socials to see more of me. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. What we'll be using for this is oatmeal. Here I'm simply making use of my white oat. Oatmeal here is very good when it comes to weight loss, and it also helps to suppress hunger and increases your metabolism. Now, if you are wondering how oatmeal is going to help you lose weight, this is because oatmeal is low in calories, and in addition to being low in calories, it has this satiating effect when you take it. It contains a great combination of healthy fats, fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Oatmeal is also purifying because it contains amino acids that causes us to produce lecithin in the liver. This lecithin is necessary to help us purify and remove toxins from our body. Consuming oatmeal regularly is going to help provide adequate amount of protein, mineral, vitamins, and other elements that is necessary for a healthy body. Oatmeal helps to improve digestion. It reduces gastric acid and also helps to facilitate digestion and also helps prevent constipation. Oatmeal also helps prevent the body from retaining liquid. To prepare this, I'll be needing a glass cup. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of this oatmeal into my cup. Set that aside. After adding the oatmeal into my glass cup, I'll go ahead and add cold water. I'm just making use of normal water here. I'm not making use of hot water. If you use hot water for this, it's just going to make the oatmeal to become very thick. After pouring that in, I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Then I'll keep it aside for it to steep and extract the necessary nutrients that we need for this weight loss. While waiting for the oatmeal, I will be introducing the other ingredients to you, which is turmeric. Turmeric here is also very good for weight loss. It helps to make you feel fuller after taking this, and you won't feel hungry. It helps control your appetite, which is very necessary for weight loss. The next ingredient we'll be using is honey, and honey here is just going to act as a sweetener to this so that you can enjoy your oatmeal water more and also help to manage your weight gain. After leaving it for a while, I'm going to stir it up. this, you have to ensure you have a nice creamy color. I'm just trying to make sure we get all the goodness that comes from the oatmeal. There are still some particles in it. The next thing I'm going to do with this is strain. And to strain it, I'll be needing a strainer, a small strainer like this, and another glass cup. Before straining, I will stir it up again. Because I'm trying to get a full glass cup of oatmeal water, I'm going to add a little more water to the remaining shaft here. I'll stir it up properly again. And then pour it into the glass cup. So now we have 1 glass cup of oatmeal water. Now here is what is remaining. This is what the oatmeal, the residue from the oatmeal looks like. And I'm going to be throwing this away. The next thing I'll be adding to this is my honey. Please note that honey is completely optional. If you like, you can use honey. If you don't mind the taste of the oatmeal, then you can also not use honey. So I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of honey into this, and then I'm going to stir. So this is what our oatmeal water looks like. But I'll go ahead and add the remaining ingredient, which is turmeric. So here you can choose to use turmeric or you use cinnamon powder. So I'll be adding just a pinch of it. Just a pinch of turmeric to that. And yes, our oatmeal water is ready. Take a closer look at the turmeric. So the turmeric is just moving downward into the oatmeal. And then before drinking this, ensure you stir it up properly before you drink. And then how to drink this first thing in the morning in an empty stomach. You can also have oatmeal as your breakfast by taking 1 glass of oatmeal with an apple. This is going to help you feel fuller during the day, and it's going to help keep you until you are ready to take your lunch. So this is a great combination that you can take if you want to take this as your breakfast. Make sure you take it in the morning, eat an apple with it, then you are good to go. But if you don't want to use it with an apple, you can also take this alone first thing in the morning. Go ahead and drink this every single day for 1 month, and you are going to notice great results in your body. And this oatmeal, you can take it in the morning, you can take it in the afternoon, you can also take it in the evening. So you can have this in the morning, have it in the afternoon, have it in the evening. There is no side effect at all. It's just going to help you control the way you eat and also control the amount of calories that you gain, which is in turn going to help you lose weight very fast. And don't forget what I told you, always stir before you drink, because the oatmeal is settled at the bottom of the glass cup. Once you leave it for up to 2 minutes, it goes down to the bottom and settles there. So always stir it up before you drink. So that was just a simple way to make your oatmeal water at home and have you losing weight really fast. So typically you are going to get a good result within 1 month with consistency, okay? And then remember, whenever you are taking this oatmeal water, it is not the time that you should be snacking every now and then, and it is not the time for you to increase your meal portions. If not, you are not going to get your desired result. So the best thing to do is to take it in the morning, allow yourself to stay, because the oatmeal water will make you feel full as if you've eaten breakfast already. So there's no need of you to rush to eat if you don't feel like eating. So these are some of the things that you have to keep in mind if you want this oatmeal water to work really fast for you. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments down below in the comment section, because I want to know how this worked for you, how this has worked for you in the past, and let me know how long it took you for you to get your desired result. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box. And then I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.